I'm here with Dante because this is my mentor. He don't know it, but this is my mentor.
Good, bro. How you doing, bro?
Great, man. Great. Flames, bro.
Flames, bro. You DM me before, didn't you? Yeah. I'm like, man, I seen you before.
One love, man. We at the pop-up. We going crazy, man.
What's up? Yes, sir.
Flames and Ted, man. We out here.
Hey, this motherfucker crazy. Hold on. Do you see this motherfucker, bro?
What is that, velvet?
Bro, oh my God, bro. Look at that shit, bro. Come on. Check out. Bro, leave your feelings at home. This is no cap. We out here, man. Come on. Come check my boy out.
Look at the red underbarrel, man. Look at the barrel, man.
Hey, man, look. Quality, bro. Quality. Come check him out, man. Let's get it. Yo, we at the One Love pop-up shop / meet and greet. This is now not the behind the scenes, but the scenes on site. You know what I'm saying? So as you guys can see, we got the front One Love balloons everywhere in our colors. You know, I got my shit on, you know what I'm saying? One love. Know the rock going crazy, you know what I'm saying? Got everybody pulling up. Appreciate everybody that pulled up. $1 Million Kid. Let me take y'all inside real quick. Got the One Love marquee letters right here. Go crazy. Got the bar right here. You already know what's up. Shout out to Christine. Got our menu with the One Love on it. Right over here. Got every product that I've ever dropped. At least most of them. All throughout right here. Just going crazy, man. So shout out to your boy. One Love pop-up shop. I'm gonna do an end at the end. I'm gonna just give y'all my lessons that I learned because I know y'all seen me and Shaq. Hey Shaq, real quick, Shaq, come here. We did a YouTube video recently on pop-up shops, right? And we dropped a crazy amount of game. Now, what I said in that video is that I was gonna do my first pop-up.
Exactly.
And we're here right now.
Exactly.
So right now, I'm gonna tell y'all at the end of today's like whole event, everything that I learned. And of course, I can credit it all to my guy because he helped me with it, gave me all the gaming information I needed. Yo, YouTube, we got my guy, King Richie, from North Carolina, drove all the way. Oh my God, bro. Drove all the way down here to Atlanta, Georgia for the One Love pop-up shop. He went ahead and copped the XOXO shirt, bro. If you already know about it, go cop it on the website. We got a couple left. But man, I want to say thank you so much, brother, for coming out here. He's also from Cleveland, from the 216. So you know I had to show some love on it. I had to. It was only right. So shout out to my guy from driving out here, man, and it's all love. He also has a daughter too, so he understands the meaning of one love. And man, I just want to say thank you, bro, for real.
Definitely.
Yes, sir.
I'm excited to meet him for the first time because I've been following for the longest, and you know, today just made my day to like, cause I've been following and see, you know, you have a daughter, and I saw the way you're doing it. I'm like, okay, I can learn from a younger brother coming up as well.
Absolutely.
So, yeah, definitely, I gotta come support.
That's love, man. So look, I want to say thank you to anybody and everybody who has supported me, just like King Richie here. I just want to say thank y'all, man. So yeah, I got my guy 7 right here, coming all the way from fucking Charlotte, yo. Charlotte, that's crazy love, bro. I want to say thank you so much, bro. He has a brand called More Than Paid, right? Hey, tell the people about it.
More Than Paid, but the brand is about financial literacy. I'm actually going through the practice myself of learning how to be more financially literate. So More Than Paid represents that actual fact. And I'm here with Dante because this is my mentor. He don't know it, but this is my mentor, big dog. So I watched all his videos. Him, Kayla, Justin P. They the real deal, man. They got all the gems for us. So if you're a clothing brand owner, definitely hit on my guy. Definitely follow my guy. Definitely follow all his lessons because it got me to where I am right now, which is right here at the pop-up shop.
More Than Paid, that's where he at. So hey, tap in with us. You already know what's up. Let's get it. Got my boy David in the building. You know what's going on. One Love pop-up. Come check us out. You know what I'm saying? Well, you ain't gonna be able to check us out, but pull up next time. Atlanta, Georgia. You already know what's up. Get it. Yo, it's your boy Tez, man. Look, we got the king of YouTube in the building. David Amari himself, man. Yo, David, bro.
Yeah.
Give the people one gem before you leave, man.
Use automation?
Yeah.
Look, man, I'm gonna tell you this, all right? As long as you have a competitor on the platform, you have a blueprint. Now, take that for what it is, but think about what I just said. I'm gonna slow it down. As long as you have a competitor on a YouTube platform, you have a blueprint. Take that and run with it. I made millions of dollars with that, and you can too.
Hey, man, tap in with him, yo. Y'all already know where to catch him on YouTube and on Instagram. Anywhere you could possibly think of, he there. David Amari, shout out to my brother for pulling up One Love pop-up shop, man. We outside. Yeah.
100, nothing less. Come and spend 100, man.
Come on, now.
Come spend 100 with my boy.
Come shot with us, man.
Let's go.
All right, y'all. We are in the after scene of the pop-up shop One Love Clothing. I want to say thank you to every single person. You guys probably seen clips of every single person coming through. I want to say thank you to everybody who even just pulled up, shared it. Even if you couldn't make it out, you supported by just sharing it, liking it, commenting on it. I want to say truly thank you. All right. I think for the outro, I think the best way to make an outro is to give y'all my honest to God opinion and my lessons that I learned from it. All right. Really, I would say, you know, the big things that I've learned from doing my first pop-up is number one, it's training. You know what I'm saying? Like, there was a lot of things that I could have done better as a leader. I like to hold myself accountable for everything. So like, if there's things that I could have done better, I like to just pinpoint those first. On the training side, I could have done a lot better training people earlier, giving myself more time. So like, if you're doing a pop-up, if you could secure a space a day in advance just to make sure all the inventory and stuff is good the day before, and then the morning of making sure the training is good, I think that would be better. I will also say, like, the second biggest lesson that I learned is, like, obviously more promotion. You know, I didn't promote as much as I should have. Third thing I would say is, like, if you could do other vendors, it would be easier on you, less cost efficient. I mean, it would be a more cost efficient on you to have other vendors as well. Number 4 is, like, bring the things that you need to move units wise and product wise more often, right? So if I were you guys, I would take the items that, all right, I would categorize them like, these are the things that I need to move, right? And then what I would do is I would take those items and then I will put those on the forefront and try to sell those first, right? And then pinpoint those as the best sellers. So a lot of times, if you've seen throughout the video, I don't know if you guys will see it or not, but these are the best sellers. This is the best selling product, best selling collection. I'm constantly saying that stuff because I'm inserting the seed in somebody's mind that, look, this is the product that sells most often, that this is what other people buy. And people like to buy what other people are buying. It's the same thing with Jordans. You wouldn't buy a Jordan unless you've seen Jordan buying them or wearing them, right? So it's the same thing. When you see a famous person wearing Gucci, you go buy Gucci. Same thing with Louis Vuitton, same thing with Chanel. So I would say that would be the other big thing. I would say also have a truck, you know what I'm saying? Get you a U-Haul truck, a box truck, whatever is best for you. Make sure you have those on deck, park them wherever you need to. If it's a super hot day, make sure you got AC in the inside or a fan or something. Honestly, I can't say anything but credit my team. You know what I'm saying? I couldn't have done any of this shit without my team. Shout out to every single person who was a floater, cashier, did bartending, did content. Shout out to my content team. Bo, D, could not have done this without y'all. I credit everybody outside of myself because I made a lot of difficult decisions that hindered my team from performing at the best that they could have, and I take full accountability and responsibility for that. So next time we're gonna do even better. We're gonna go 10 times harder. We're gonna promote 10 times better. Again, shout out to all my supporters. I did the best that I could to make sure that I talked to each and every person. Shout out to my brother Shaq for coming out supporting, even though he had a super busy day. You guys will again see this video, all the different people that was in here. But again, I literally could not have done this without my team. So I credit all of my team. Fuck crediting myself. It was my team. I wouldn't have been able to do this without them. Thank y'all. Shout out to security. Shout out to Black Label Event Space. Raymond, shout out to all the people who were able to make this come true. It was our first pop-up shop. We were successful at the end of the day. I got some shit moved. That's all that matters. So it's your boy Tez. This is the One Love pop-up shop / meet and greet. First time ever. I promise y'all we're gonna be at the Atlanta Streetwear Market soon. So make sure y'all come check us out. But if you could, please leave a like, subscribe, comment down below what you liked about this video. And I say thank y'all. Appreciate y'all. We got more game coming for y'all on the next video. So make sure y'all stay tuned. We out this bitch. Let's get it.